It's freaking Monday, my dudes!
It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. I really thought it was Monday. I legitimately thought it was Monday. Oh, we're off to a good freaking start, I see. Leaf, thank you for the follow. Just a Potato, thank you for the 31-month resub. Delta Hung, thank you for the 400 bits plus another 31. Charles, thank you for the 25 bits. And Nabisco, thank you.
It's totally Monday. Don't trust your calendars, peeps. Okay.
I would hope that I am not the person that you all turn to figure out what today's date is. Without cheese snips, I don't know how to talk anymore or think anymore. So I would say cheese. The reason why cheese nip should come back. And that's what I think. Time for marbles. Yeah, it's Friday, everyone. Yes, thanks. Thank you, Hexen. Thank you, guys. I have good news. Hexen moved into a new place. Can we get a big round of applause? Can we get a big round of applause? Great TED Talk, dude. Thank you. Were cheese snips ever really gone? Well, I certainly can't find them. Hexen got into a new place, so you know what that means? She's not homeless. And you know what else that means? It means that she can mod on pretty much every stream now. I mean, I'm not gonna put words in her mouth in case she needs to take a day off. But for those of you who missed old Hexen, she's gonna be here 24/7 every single day, never quitting. She will be always in this Twitch chat, available, and ready to freaking go. So, I just wanted to say that because you're gonna see a lot more Hexen around. So, and she did something she wasn't supposed to, and that took approximately 30 seconds. Good to have you all here. You might be wondering, Andrew, what the frick's going on? What is this? What is this?
We are paying the debt from our early Marbles Friday. It's a time debt. We must pay it. That means today is Monday.
Apoc, you make a great point. Then it is Monday. What is this? Well, it's Wii Sports hacking, but you might be wondering, why the frick, Andrew, are you doing Wii Sport hacking so soon? You did it on Thursday. Why are you doing it today? It's because, fellow chat members, I figured out how to do the bowling pins. Last stream, I figured out what to do, and now I've actually done it. So I want to show you.
Are you going to use the Andy is sus image?
Oh gosh, please! I don't want the Andy is sus image. It terrifies me. It terrifies me. Let me show you guys. Ignore. Yeah, who cares about errors? Hexen, thank you for gifting us sub to freaking RC. We're being sus. No one's being sus. No one is being sus tonight. There's no sussing. Oh, I gotta turn on the weird mode. That might be useful. That might be useful. Okay. There we go. Okay. I already replaced them. I've already halfway replaced them. Here, let me just pause this so we can hear the sound again. Oh, I'm not gonna use the restart. What am I gonna freaking Dorito? Oh god, EX. It is so good to have you here. Happy Tuesday. Happy start of the stream. I puzzly. Welcome. Okay, so this is what we did last time. So, if you look closely, you might notice something a little different. What's this? What's this? That's right. I replaced all the bowling bins with generics, with generic cylinders. Ignore the sounds. Ignore the sounds. I replaced all the pins with generic things for testing purposes. Once again, ignore the sounds. And watch this. Watch this. They function correctly. They function correctly. They look like candles.
Only game
Thank you for the 25 bits. Yeah, they're boring pin. We're gonna replace them with something Something better. Something much, much better. But I wanted to show you what I did because I actually worked for like an hour. Oh, here we go. We need. Yeah, pilot wings. Ooh, pilot wings. Taking gaming. Hello, the stream's going great so far. It's been approximately 5 minutes. It's going great. Beta and Carl have the cheese drips. Huh? Do you have the ghost Carl? Okay, so this is what I did. This is how I got it to work. I created the bone, the skeleton and armature from scratch, based on the skeleton from the actual bowling pins. And then I created 10 cylinders, and it all works perfectly. It all just works. When you click the LOC pin, or the bone, it moves everything, and then you pick the first one, it moves only the first one, and then you pick the third one, it moves only the third one. Boom. Boom, bam, boom. I'm so sorry I dabbed. That was a disgusting thing I just did. I'd like to apologize. T-posing Carl. We need to find what to replace it with. We need to find out what to replace it with. I love how the first thing, the amount of things I've searched on Models Resources, the first thing that shows up is freaking Miku. It's not gonna be Miku. It's not gonna be Miku. No, I didn't dab. But Krusty Towers resub for 4 months, which is freaking amazing. Thank you, Krusty Towers. I really appreciate that. I really genuinely do. Thank you. Replace the pins. I don't know why I called it that. The pins with Cheez-Its. I'm a little tired. I revised about 5 pages of my script on Battle for Bikini Bottom. It's going good. You didn't hear this from me, but I might be able to record the video, the SpongeBob video, completely record it on Friday. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm not making any promises, but could happen. Dang, if we were in a different time period, I would have made it Beanos. If only this was like a year earlier. What would be good with Carl? Let me just search Jimmy Neutron, because this is a big deal. We gotta make sure this is right. Should I start over on my assignment to bring back cheese nips instead of Tamagotchis? You should totally. Oh. Why is Cindy so terrifying?
B64 cheer 25 poggies bitties. B64 curved knife.
Thank you, Pikachu PhD. Fakey's hello. I'm just gonna see how Cindy would look. Just gonna check that out real quick. There's only one texture. Why? How? Why? Why are these so terrifying? Who the frick is Vince? Who's Vince? What about Sheen? How do you look? Not much better. Not much better. Yo, Faces, that's what our wall looks like.
So you mod Wii Sports 1, mod Wii Sports 2 Resort.
I got mod Wii Sports 17 next. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is import the model, and let's just see how Cindy looks. Let's just see how she looks. There she is. Let's see with textures on it. These are also ugly. I know, it's beautiful. While that does that, man, the lighting on it is way too good too. Come on now, come on, load up the texture. I need to see this. Oh, it's so bad. I love it. I freaking love it. Jab, you good luck on your work. Good luck. I have a lot of research to cheese it. Please keep us all updated, of course. All right, let's do it. So first things first. Oh, wrong mode. I was like, what? Huh? It does fit the horror theme of the bowling alley. I will say it does fit it pretty well. Yeah, I need X Pixelino's Carl voice. That's right. I need to do that. Okay, first things first, we gotta put this in the right position here.
B64 cheer 25 welcome to here. Could I interest you all in one of the Swedish meatballs?
Oh, yo, Swedish meatball. Are we at IKEA? IKEA's still one of my favorite places. I do love a good IKEA. Oh, it's about 90 degrees.
Change the pins to balls and the balls to a pin.
That is absolutely genius. Guys, did you hear what James said? That is absolutely genius. Sorry, Cindy. Bowling ball. That is revolutionary. Kirby ball. I need this from Clubhouse games. I bet these are gonna be way too high quality for just no good reason. What is genius? We're replacing the pins with bowling balls and making the bowling balls pins. Dude, look at the freaking bowling balls in Clubhouse games. It's got like this whole thing with it. Dang, that's some high quality stuff. Oh, I will put Pixarino in there for sure. Is Wii Sports on here so I don't have to like get the model myself? Can I just, okay. Wii Sports. Can I just, let's see if the bowling ball's in. Well, they got the freaking baseball. Well, I do, okay, here's the bowling pin. That'll be for the ball. That's just absolute genius. Genius.
Nice BALLSB64 fair B64 ig.
Thank you, Pikachu PhD. I could always record more Carl. If you want to, go for it. I'm not sure how much space I have with the amount of sound effects, but you know, there might be a good amount of sound effects in bowling that I'm not realizing.
Put Cindy in the background so he lives a good life.
You know what? Maybe I will. That does sound like a good idea. Just having like that Cindy model just somewhere would be great. That's a great idea. Okay, let's open another instance of Blender real quick. What if you put super high quality models in the game and try to run a real Wii? It probably wouldn't do very well. Mostly, if I try to put in too much high of quality of a model anyway, the size will be too big and it will cause issues. So, usually I can't really do that much higher quality. Put the Cindy models in the background as the people. I don't think I can replace the people without going to a lot of work to do that. Like a lot of research. But I do want to put her in the background. I can do that. Oh, dude, the 100 pin game. Oh, man, that's gonna be so freaking cool. Okay. Let's first start by replacing the bowling pin. I mean, the bowling ball with a bowling pin. Common. Bowling. Boop. Gate, ball. Ball. Blue ball, green ball, pink ball, yellow ball, blue ball. Right. Okay, so I need to replace every single one of these with just a bowling pin. No, the 100 pin game is in the first Wii Sports. Yeah. It's well, it's less like 100 pin in like that special mode where it keeps increasing the pins. Now this is a good song to put in Wii Sports Bowling. Yeah, it's in training. Okay. Blender. Import. Blue ball. Delete the armature. Okay. Is that really what Kirby looks like? Oh, okay. Sure. No, yeah, sure. Okay, so that's the bowling ball. I know the song request does fit. It does fit. Okay, we need to import the bowling pin. Actually, I think it's OBJ. I've learned so much about Blender just from these. From these streams, I have learned so much. I feel like I can kind of understand things now. It's gonna have to be like a small bowling pin. It's gonna have to be pretty small, but that's okay. That'll work. Oh, the Kirby model was like 3 different pieces. Weird. There it is. There it is. Let's begin. Export out. I feel like it's gonna be the wrong direction though. I feel like it's gonna be the wrong direction. Maybe I should rotate this a little. Let's see. I feel like that will be better. Perfect. Export it. Let's do it. Bowl. Export. If it's in the wrong direction, well, I want to make it where when you hold it, you're like holding it upright. That's what I'm aiming for. We'll see if it actually works, but that's what I'm aiming for. Bowl. Import. Okay. And then import texture. CMT. And save. Let's see how it turns out.
Rip the textures from Mario 64 and just replace all the textures in one sport with a texture from Mario 64. And yes, you can use a texture anytime. Go crazy. Maybe even replace all textures with just one texture. Just go freaking crazy.
Where's Chaos Edition for Wii Sports? Where it just like changes everything just randomly. Just like Chaos Edition of Mario 64. Now that would be a game to speedrun. I don't know exactly how to replace. Okay, I did it the wrong direction. Well, I mean, it's kind of right. I think I definitely did the wrong direction. But it's not bad, actually. It's not bad. Because I want to make it look like you're rolling the ball. I mean, rolling the pin. It's not bad. It seems pretty good to me, actually. Yeah, to change the reflection, we have to replace the other models. What if we replace all the textures in Box Sport with buff? That sounds like so much work. But it might be. I would have to not only change the texture, but I have to change all the texture names too. That's the hard part. Now comes the easy part. Boop. And replace this. And replace this. Oh, this is getting serious. I'm tired today, but I got more sleep than I did yesterday, and I was more awake yesterday. I don't know why, but I'm pushing through. For the sake of the beauty that is Wii Sports Bowling, I will do what I must. God bless bowling. Okay, now it should work. David, hello. That's so freaking weird. It's so freaking weird. I love it. Also, I forgot to change the I have to go through in each of the shaders and change it so that way it doesn't glow so much. I have to do multiply by 2 instead. But I still love it. Yeah, you're bowling with a bowling pin, and now, oh, I'm so excited.
As Vinny says, spin.
As me, Beta64 says, my catchphrase that you all know and love. You all remember my catchphrase. When something goes around in a circle, I always say, it's just my thing. Spin. That's me. You know me. You know me. Ah, man. Rotate. Revolve. All classic sayings from Beta64 streams. Classic. Yep, that's me. No one else. It's me.
Vinny stole it.
Vinny stole it? Yeah. Oh, wait. Vinny's saying Speen? Are you kidding me? He stole my bit. Oh. Vinny stole my bit. I can't believe it. Oh, that's just... Well, it is what it is. Oh, well. There we go. Perfect. Now it's the right look. I am in love with this. You didn't see anything on the bottom. You didn't see any glitches, anything. Oh, I was meaning to tell you. Guess who finally finished putting in all the new quotes? Guess who finally did it? Me. Me, Andrew from Beta64. I finally did it. There you go. There you go. Who? Oh no, Vinny didn't do it. I did it. I did it. Let's do it, guys. It's time.
B64 cheer 25 Pocket Nooks appreciation bits.
I may have forgotten to rip the bowling ball before I replaced everything. That's embarrassing. Oops. Oh well. Surely there's another freaking bowling ball I can grab. Surely there's another bowling ball. Bowling balls aren't rare. Why am I getting so much Dragon Ball? Oh, ball. Dragon Balls. Dragon Ball. Got it. No, but it's gonna look weird if I don't do the Wii. Fine. Here's what I'll do. I'll go into the files and find one of my older ones. And I can grab it from there. Here we go. Close the original. Before we messed with anything.
B64 cheer 25, are you going to acknowledge me or what?
CG, did I not acknowledge you? I didn't even acknowledge the Pocket Nooks appreciation bits. I would like to, no, stop. I'd like to submit a formal apology to CG. CG, I'm so sorry for forgetting to appreciate the Pocket Nooks appreciation bits. My mind was completely wrapped up in something completely unnecessary, and I just want to take the time to apologize for saying that. No, for saying nothing. All right. James, thank you for the 25
Do Red Bull as a tribute to me at my favorite cold.or.
Yeah, we can do, well, it's called Pink. It's called Pink, but that's close enough. Export. Bowling ball pink. And I don't know if we have to, like, maybe we have to get the texture out too. Export. I don't know, PNG, sure.
You can't just change the texture?
I mean, maybe. But I could also do it the hard way. Here we go. Why is the screen flickering? Is it flickering on your... Just Blender is flickering. Only Blender. I'm gonna close Blender and reopen it. The frick? Oh yeah, I have games on my phone, of course.
B64 cheer 25 mo.
I just want to say, Lake Lapcat is absolutely amazing, like, song-wise. Like, I love that song so much. Also, it is totally flickering on my end. Like, but only the viewpoint, like, not the sidebar. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna pretend it doesn't exist and can keep going. I'm just gonna pretend it doesn't exist. What flickering? You don't see it. What? Let's see. Ball pink import. Delete armature. There it is. And there it is. Oh, there it is. It's perfect. Okay. So, what I have to do to get this to work First off, this needs to be a lot bigger. The pins are gonna kind of like go into each other a little bit. I hope that's okay. I hope that's okay. Is it not okay? David's crying. Oh crap. It might not be okay. Okay. So, now that I got this here, you have to copy it 10 billion times. Actually, only 10 times. So this is what I have to do. This is how I got it to work. You duplicate it. Wait, duplicate it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dude, Bowser's Furry is such a good game. Oh, actually, I made 11 by accident. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so then what you do is now that you got everything situated, they all look good. I have to go into pose mode. Pose mode. I then select pin 1. I mean, the ball one. Will it ball work? It'll work. Oh, it'll work. Don't you worry. Then I do that, and then I do that, bone. And then I go to 2, and I pick LOC and 2, and I bone. Pretend it's fine. 3, bone. 4, bone. I am the only non-believer. Believe it will work. Bone. Bone. 7. Bone. 8. Bone. 9. Bone. Yes, 80% of people think it'll work. I can't wait for it to not work. 10. Bone. Now, if I go here and I click LOC, it should move all of them. Sweet. And then if I move number 1, it'll move only 1. If I do 3, it'll move only 3. 2, it'll move only 2. Just making sure.
I mean, it will technically work. Just probs not in the way you want, lol.
It will. It'll work, Gigabytes. It'll work. And thank you, James, for giving 25 bits to that boy. I appreciate it. Perfect. All right. Let's export. Pins. Export. So then I'll go here.
Lol, don't worry, I believe in you.
Thank you, Gigabytes. Everyone, believe it's gonna happen and it's gonna look great. I go to pins now, 3D models. This is the pin that's associated with it. So I go to replace, pins, with that, okay. And then pins, import texture, that, okay. Boom, and there it is. And then I need to make it a little bit darker. This is it, folks. We have been waiting how many parts? Like, it's been like a freaking long time since I've wanted to replace it. Ever since part 1. Ever since part freaking 1 of this whole Wii Sports hacking series, I have wanted to replace the pins. And I couldn't do it. And now that is part like freaking 17, it's been over 30 hours. Well over 30 hours of hacking Wii Sports. It is finally time. It crashed. Huh. Huh. Why did it crash though? Shouldn't have. Why did that crash though? That shouldn't have. Why would that crash though? Why would it crash though? The non-believers are pogging right now. No, did I mess something up? Did I mess something up? They're all connected to the. Huh? I replaced the right pins. Huh? 1 second. Okay, so that's there. Maybe it's the texture. Maybe it's the texture. What's the pin? What's the pin encoded as? CMPR. No. Oh, it's getting hot in here. Let's delete that. Let's delete the fish texture. Save it. Whew. Hurry up, Mr. Streamer. What did I do? I guess I'll just redo it from the start. I'm confused on exactly what I did because I did it all the same. Well, it's a good thing I didn't save, at least. Yeah, it's all your guys' fault. You have to all believe. If you don't all believe... Oh, wait. Oh, I think I know what the problem was. Actually, I do think I know what the problem is. Let me close it and not save real quick. I actually do think I know what the problem is. I think that it had 2 armatures on it for some reason. Yeah, everyone has to believe. You all have to believe. See, like this looks different. Yeah. Okay. So let me import the bowling ball. So this has an armature in it. I need to delete that armature, and then I need to delete the modifiers. Oh, okay. I need to clear everything out of here. Like everything. Delete. Okay, so here's what I'll do. I will undo everything. I'll go to new. It'll work. I know it will. You just gotta believe, everyone. You just gotta believe. It's been 17 parts. It all comes down to this.
Believe. Come on, guys. Let's do the viewer thing and magically help Beta.
Please magically help me. Close this. Delete all vertex groups. I don't like how when I click delete, it deletes everything. I just want to delete the vertex group. Vertex groups. How do I just delete the vertex group? Okay. Thank you for believing, just Toda.
25, I believe.
Thank you. Ah, there it is, vertex groups. Okay, delete vertex group. Okay, now it is literally just the polygon. That is it. It's got everything in there. It's just the polygon. Export. Thank you, Danny Dirt, for the energy. Wick has decided to believe. It's time. Ball. Export. So now I've exported it. It is a clean ball. Completely clean balls here. No, nothing bad. It's clean. Clean balls. Clean everything. I'm going to export this out. I'm going to export this out and make sure it still works. Just to make sure. Replace with desktop. Test. Okay. Just to make sure everything's working. So I don't start up in this and everything breaks. It is just weird how it like crashes at the beginning, but not when you like load bowling. It's just like at the beginning, like it preloads the bowling pins for some reason. Okay, yeah, just pretend that before thing didn't happen. Okay. Import. DAE. Ball. Import. There it is. It's a ball and it's just a polygon. Okay, cool, cool. That's what we want. So I'm going to delete all of these. Delete. Okay. Now I'm going to create 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Delete the first one. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to go into the pose mode. I need to move like all of these. I need to like... And I moved it in edit mode last time, just to keep the center at 0, 0, 0. Because this is where it needs to be. Okay, perfect. Centers of all of them are at 0, 0, 0. We're all good. I click this. We're in pose mode now. This is pretty baller. Okay, now watch carefully. I click pose mode. I do this. I click LOC. I click LOC MD1 at pose mode. I click that LOC 1 bone. Click this LOC 2 bone. Click this LOC. You can press Shift R to repeat the last action you did. Oh heck, that's actually really useful. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Add Amogus Sussy Man somewhere in the game, please.
Among Us? Is this the imposter from Among Us? Among Us? Bro, it says you are sus. Bro, and it's got a number.
Is it Among Us from Pokemon?
Yes, that's the one. Bro, for $1,000, I'll call the imposter from Among Us. I'll do it. I'll call the imposter from Among Us. Is this the imposter? Among Us? Among Us? Now. That's what I'm calling it. Now. Okay, it's exported. Make the bowling pins crewmates. You hurt me. You've hurt me. Okay. Okay, now. Import. Pin. Import. 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 Save. You are sus beta. No. Come on. Come on. Come on. No! Gosh dang it! What could be the problem? I don't. There's. No. No, I can do this. It just takes a. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I know it's gonna happen. It's happening tonight. I know I can do this. I just need to. What if I did this? Is this cheating? Let me. I asked, is this cheating? Is this cheating when it's just freaking me playing freaking anyway? Close this.
I have Amogus model.
Amogus? Thank you for the Amogus model. Thank you. I'm going to take this cylinder, delete all the vertices, paste. Can I paste vertices, actually? Is that even possible? I was going to cheat. I was going to import the ball, get the vertices, and just put them back. That's what I was going to do. I was just going to take this, grab all the vertices, copy them. Copied one selected object. Go to cylinder. Go to no, not you. Not you. Not you. Go to just cylinder. Delete vertices. Paste vertices. Okay, so I can do that. Good to know. Andrew will never be ballin'. I will ball! It's got the majority. It's got the majority. I will be ballin'. So help me. I will be ballin'. You just gotta give me a minute to ball correctly. James, hello. Hello, James. Okay, watch this. I'm going to make one single edit. I'm going to do this, okay? I did this. I'm going to export it, and it's going to work. I'm going to export this, and it's going to work. If I go into here, and I replace this with this, and it's the weird-looking pin, it's going to work. You don't think that there's too many vertices, do you? No? No, okay, so yeah, it worked. I'm just, are there too many vertices?
Copy a B64, James.
James, I would like to say congratulations for making in one of the quotes. So that I wonder, I'm just seeing. So that's the first one. I'm going to go here, paste. No, not extrude, paste. Paste, 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 not extrude. Not extrude, paste. Cause that's a lot of poly. That's a lot of. Maybe if I decimate it, it'll help. Cause you know bowling pins, I mean, they have some kind of polygons, right? Copied 0 selected objects. I just want to like copy these vertices and put them somewhere else. That's what I want to do. Yeah, I know the minion pins are going. Don't you worry. James, thank you for the 25 bits. Even if it was attached to Among Us, Imposter, Among Us, Subdivide, Extrude. I just want these polys, these things to be in here. Unlink. Oh, I can't. Not yet implemented. Well, that's nice. I should have made them circles, but I guess I wouldn't have known at that time. Okay, unlink, delete, remap users. I gotta find some way to do this. Cause this should be literally as simple as I delete this cylinder and I attach this to here.
James isn't just a person. James is an idea. James is a state of being. James is James. Beta63, Wii Sports, the 28th of January 2021.
100% true. That is 100% true. Looks like I need to click this. It should be as simple as me clicking that. I click this, I click this, and then I click parent with bone. It should be as simple as that.
How to add quote.
You add quote by doing exclamation point request quote space add space the quote. I think that's how it works. Okay, here's my second test. We're doing it one step at a time until this works. James, I would love to see a funny. I would love to. Something, we need a funny to distract us from the game crashing. Okay, so that worked. But every other pin's gone now. What the frick?
My sub just ended today.
But why did... But... Hexen, thank you for the 5 gift subs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you so much. That means a lot to me, Hexen. You know it means a lot to me. You know. But I'll say it again. Hexen, thank you. Thank you so much. Good song. Good song. I'm moving the vertices over. Moving them up. And I'm going to put them over and I'm going to re-export it again. Oh, that's such a... Oh. That's such a good song. Gosh, I love this song. See, but now I'm just gonna enjoy the song. Now I'm not even gonna talk. Yes, we're swapping the pins and the balls. Please don't crash, please don't crash. It didn't crash. What the frick? Why is it only crash sometimes? And why does it like... I'm so confused. That made it worse looking. But you know what? If I have that there, okay? Okay? I'm going to make another one of these. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Believe in me, chat. Believe in me, chat. I can do this. Duplicate. Oh. I love how I say, please believe in me, chat, the moment that I mess up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm doing 5 to start. And I'm deleting you. You. Okay, polygon 0. This is gonna be the whole stream. Just you wait. Just you wait. Too many things loading. I mean, maybe. Oh, a prediction. Hexen. No. James, thank you for subbing for this.
3 gift subs and 1 by me. Poggers.
I'm so happy. Thank you, James Elliott. I really, really appreciate the 5 months. Should we believe, will he make it? I will make it. I will do this. It will work. 01. Parent. Bone. Polygon 2. This 2. Parent. Polygon 3. Bone. Polygon 4. Polygon 5. Polygon 6. Bone. Okay. Theoretically, this should work. Theoretically. It doesn't like it when you add more than 1. Are the bowling balls too high poly? This just in? Bowling balls too high poly? There's no way. It can't be. They wouldn't. Bowling pins? Bowling pins. Too high poly. Bowling pins. I'm gonna do 3. Maybe it gotta try decimating. You're right. Let me try decimating the balls real quick. Can't believe that. A bowling ball. It's less a poly count issue, more likely a file size issue. It could be. It works with just cylinders, and I guess that's probably part of it. Let's just decimate this thing and see what happens. Okay, there we go. Aw, yeah. Now that's a good looking bowling ball, I'll tell you what. I tell you what. We're going from a poly count of 1,000 to a poly count of freaking 30. Let's go to poly count of 1. That probably will do it. Doesn't it look like a nice bowling ball? .25. I will say, I didn't realize that each one of these bowling balls was 1,000 polygons. Or, sorry, 1,000 faces. That's what I meant to say. So, maybe that could be a part of the problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ba, 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 ba.
58, 44, 20, 62, 72, 75, 68, 20, 62, 36, 34, 36, 34, and that is hex code if you have sub-translated to text and posted in chat.
Thank you. Thank you. Wait, I forgot to apply it. Applied. Okay. I don't think that counts as a ball anymore. It's circular. It's circular. Come on now. It's circular. Okay. This is the moment, guys. Now, I believe. Hacking, begin. Holy frick. Andrew's going all out. What's going
Just
on?
Potato, did you use a translated or did you learn to speak Hex?
Oh, dude, I speak Hex, of course, yes. I'm a computer science major, it's part of the job. E572348 A76. Andrew's going full on programming hacker mode. I don't think he can be controlled anymore. Oh my god. Andrew's become full hacker man. We have to stop him, Reggie. No! Let him finish. Let's see what he's truly capable of. Okay. Export. Now. Export. Okay. Now I have exported it out. The file size versus the test here. Even though that's 24. Where the frick did I put now? There's now. It's twice as big. But you know, we'll see. Okay. We're in, folks! We're in! Welcome, J-Class fan. The hacker man never finishes. He only completes. There it is. I need to move them up a little bit, but there it is. Frankie! Guess who's done it? Guess who freaking done it, Frankie? That's right. Bull with a bowling pin hit the bowling balls. I need to get rid of it where it shows
Beta64 Cheer 2405. Here are a bunch of appreciation bits for Andrew, Pocket Nooks, Cheese Nips, Donkey Kong, Wii Sports, Carl Weezer, Bowling Balls, Big Yoshi, and Toad, Lightning McQueen, and everyone else here.
Dude, thank you. That's a lot of freaking bits, Delta Kong. Did you unlock the freaking new bit emote for DK? Saucy DK? DK Smug? Either way, thank you so much. Thank you for the 100 bits. How was your stream? How was your stream, Delta? I mean, not Delta, Frankie. Delta, thank you for that.
None for Amogus.
No Amogus bits. No Amogus bits. How was your stream? I don't know what the heck Kenshi is, but I would love to learn. I might actually look it up. But, everyone, hello. I am creating a cursed Wii Sports mod. Here, take a listen. It's a cursed Wii Sports mod based on Carl Weezer. Or at least this one is. So our goal is to create it where you do a bowling pin and you try to get the
pins
ball.
Can have up to 10 polys due to the 100 pin challenge.
Is that true, Bane Dog? Are you just saying that, or is that actually true? Is that actually true? Is there like a poly limit that low of the thing? Yes, reverse bowling. I also want to show you guys baseball since you're here. I want to show you guys baseball. Cannibals? Oh, frick yeah. Sounds great. I'll check out the game. I play the Forest. That has cannibals. Love cannibals.
Translate now sub 6A 61 60 65 73 20 69 73 1D 67 6F 64.
This must be so unsettling for new people. Oh yeah. Well, I know for a fact that it was definitely the poly count that was the problem.
On the ball. So I just math.
Dude, math is so cool. It's a load of fun. I highly recommend it. Then I will definitely check it out. Welcome to Bean Stadium.
Oh, and also I want to give special appreciation to Rollby64 Cheer 25.
Thank you, DeltaCon. Thank you so much. For those of you who might be new here from Frankie's stream, and by the way, guys, check out Frankie was here. Check out his Twitch channel. Check it out. Wow, I'm bad. Perfect. I've been working on this Wii Sports hack for freaking months. Like, I'm talking a very, very long time. Making it as cursed as possible with the help of everyone here. Dude, wow. Wow, that was great.
You are able to translate IT before Mod deleted my message poggers.
I almost got a home run. I wanted to get a home run so bad. Yeah, I did it. Home run. Of course, Frankie, of course. Thank you for the raid. I stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wow, I'm so good. And I'm great at freaking baseball. Single. I have been working on this. But I also do other things. I play video games, I do marbles on Fridays, and I always start at 7:30 p.m. Central Time. Wow, okay. I just need to stop because I'm just that bad. I'm just that bad. Too many James around here. Back in my day, there used to only be one James. Back in my day. So, we need to fix the balls, but let it be known, we did get it to work. We did get it to work. We just need to move the balls around. No, bad. Select polygon. Edit mode. There we go. So we need to move it this way, I believe. I don't know if we need to move it up. We might need to move it up too. Let's just try putting it there. Exporting out and seeing how that works. Is it possible to put on an actual disc? I have no idea at this point, to be honest. I have no idea if I could actually put this on a disc. I would like to try. I mean, not like, obviously I can't burn it onto a disc, but I mean like playing it on an actual console. Like on an actual console. I would love to do that. I don't think you can burn. Well, actually, no, you can. I remember back in the day. There it is. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, it's perfect. I just need to get rid of the thing where it shows the freaking like bowling pin. It's perfect. I know. I can decrease the brightness. Don't worry. I just need to remove the like center pin. Oh, the quest is finally almost completed, everyone. Shaders. Multiply by 1. Save. I'm trying to figure out where the frick the ghost pins are coming from. I don't know where the ghost pins are coming from. They're somewhere else, and I'm not quite sure where. Ball Pro? Oh, maybe it's the shadow? Is it the shadow? No. Avatar animation? Where the frick is that is the question. Because it's just a texture, like, put, like, sideways. Or, like, connected, like, I can't, like that. Like that. If I could, I'd put this on a disc and sell it at a garage sale. If I could. If I could. Effect. Bowl, ball, pin, hit. I wonder if it's one of these effects. And if that's the case, where do those effects get their textures from? I bet here. And I bet it's that. Yep, it is this. All right, found it. Now I just need to erase it. I would love, absolutely love, to give someone in like a garage sale or like give it to Goodwill or something. Dude, Delta Kong got the freaking smug DK. Let's go. Let's freaking go. And you can use that forever. The best thing about bit emotes is that you keep them freaking forever. You know what? I could make this.
So if you sold this at a garage sale, would it be one of those creepy pasta games but without the creepy and instead memes?
Yeah, it would be like, I'd put like a piece of duct tape on it and it's called Wii Sports, right in Sharpie.
You're going to kill one of your brothers instead, Beta. Luigi's Mansion, the 13th of October 2018, is the 66th quote evil devil.
Is that the 66th quote? Are you serious? That's awesome. That's actually hilarious. There we go. Maybe I'll make. I don't think I can legally sell it though. Can I? I can't legally sell it because it's technically pirated, right? did export this as a PNG, right? Yeah. Yeah, piracy is no party. Remember that, folks. Remember that. Okay, let's see it in action. I think this is it. I think this is it. There it is. Yes! It's perfect! It's perfect! Look at that!
Pricey is no arbitrary.
It's so perfect, guys. It's so perfect. I am in love with this. I am in love with this. Wow. I got it. Wait. Is there any way to add better textures? I mean, that is the texture for the bowling ball in Wii Sports. That is ripped directly from it. Let's go to training and try doing 1,000 of these. I think the file might be too big. I think the file might be too big. You don't need to do freaking training mode. You don't need freaking training mode. Who needs training mode? Who needs training mode? Not me, not Andrew. Not Andrew. What training mode? What are you talking about? Training mode? There's no such thing as training mode. You're all just remembering something different. There was no training mode. There was never a training mode. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Anyway, let's do something else. Well, yeah, one part that crashes. Yeah, exactly. It makes it more cursed, actually. Okay, so here's gonna be the problem. Is every single one of these pins, to replace them, I'm going to have to go through in each of their bones, edit them. Because they have different bone names. I mean, it's not like technically that hard to do, but it isn't hard enough for me to be like, I'll do that on my own time. So instead, I wonder, let's see, what texture does this use? This uses this one, so I can delete this texture. Is there any way I could? Probably not. It just crashes with Carl Weezer. Now that would be cool. Remove the training mode button. That's pretty freaking cursed, actually. That's pretty freaking cursed. Jake, I love that mode too. Nooks drew it on a whim one day in like 30 minutes before stream. And I love it so much. Now, before we do that, actually, you know what? Let's just go and see. Let's see if I can find that file. Let's see. Effect, common, US. Sports title, no. Sports static, training menu, transition scene. I'm trying to remember which one's the one with the title screen on it. It's this one.
Terry Snow L letter. Make the non-existent L a lowercase I.
Here's what okay, I need to remember Wii Sports title screen or menu screen. I just need to why is it okay, there we go. I was like, why is it so hard to find the title screen? Okay, so the training one is this icon. I could have also just read it because it says training icon right there. I'll just delete it. I'll just make the texture transparent. Be sure to add in the Counter-Strike source texture. Yo. Goose, this isn't real. But it sounds pretty good, though. Can you make a close-up of your face and look directly to your camera for 5 seconds? Is that good? Oh, went a little crazy for a second there. That's a little much. That's a little much for Andrew.
No. You are making it Carl Weezer so it crashes with Weezer Man.
Just this picture is just, There's so many just, okay, here we go. I need to pick like something that says just do not click. That's what I need to do. Here's, okay, I figured out what I'm doing. Export, PNG. I'm going to make it where it says do not click. Where it's just like, do not click. That is what we are doing. His face looks like an upside down piece of pizza. Yeah. Copy image, paste. Hit paste. Oh. Why can't I type? Gosh dang it. God dang GIMP. God dang it, GIMP. Do not press this. Let's do, what's a good
Can you
font?
do Peter Griffin ASMR?
Peter Griffin ASMR? Peter Griffin ASMR.
Hey Lois. Hey, Lois. Do you like impact font? Yeah.
That's as good as I can freaking do. I can't. Oh. Do not press to go. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty freaking good. Let's just make the font a little bit bigger.
Just cause the training mode to crash the game with Carl staring at you.
Perfect. And overwrite. Replace. Oh, it's gonna be black and white? Okay, yeah, that's fine. It looks a little bit creepier that way. Low JPEG count. Low JPEG version. I like it. I like it a lot. It didn't like it though. Boy, did it not like it though. Holy frick, did it not like it. What the frick? Does it need does it need like, oh, I bet it's gonna be something weird. Here, let me make it transparent. I bet it can't take more than one color and it'll crash. Let me see. Yeah, I don't think it's very happy with that. What color was it? Was it white or was it gray? Was it some kind of gray? Let's just let's make it all white. made Carl Weezer's face, yeah, I think maybe Carl is just a little too powerful, personally. How do I just do... there you go. Oh gosh! If only. That's beautiful. Does it work if I just do one color? Bro, I'm so glad we did Trap Remix. Trap Remix night. Okay, well, maybe it needs an alpha channel. It does have an alpha
Gotta
channel.
love that NES color scheme you had there, lol.
I liked it too. Physical. Whoa, it broke everything. Dude, replacing it broke everything. I broke the whole file? Replacing one texture? Well, glad I had a backup. Glad I had like 17 backups.
Carl, no. What did you do, Carl?
Carl is too powerful. Carl is way too powerful, guys. Oh no, everything's back now. It's just the moment you look at Carl's face, it just breaks. Well, okay, well now it's fine. What the frick? What the frick happened? Huh. I'm just gonna grab a backup real quick. Bad. My question is how late of a backup, or when did I take this backup is the question. Oh, it brought back the menu screen.
What should I download to get a computer virus?
What should you download to get a computer virus? Is that what you said? Free Minecraft. Well, it seems like I lost where I deleted like the top and bottom part, but I can just do that again. Unless, actually, before I do that, let me try one last thing. Let me try to do one last thing. It has a lot of nulls here, which makes me a little concerned. This file might be toast. Oh gosh. Yeah, I don't know what Carl Weezer did, but holy frick, you guys. I don't know what the frick Carl Weezer did. Oh boy. That's fun. Let's just pretend that didn't happen, shall we? Let's just pretend that that didn't happen. And instead, let's extract this stuff. Where's extract? Okay, export all to new folder, screen. The last backup I made was right before I deleted the top and bottom thing, so it's like not that bad. It's not that bad. It could have been far worse. Wii layout editor? Which one was the one that I used? I have like 5 layout editors. Screen. This. Yes. I'm so glad that does one. How can I mod a game? Well, you can just watch me do the thing, and then you can learn from that. You just need a bunch of different tools. Like Dolphin, you can use that to extract the thing. You can use that to extract it, and then you just kind of search and pick which ones have the, yo, there are updates? Yo, they're freaking updating this tool? Let's sit and wait for an update, shall we? Pinwheel, hello, hello. Open folder. Tools, experimental. Where is the thing? Or I guess what I'm supposed to do is open this. 8. My favorite error message. 8. That's my favorite error message. Anyway, here it is. This is the Wii Sports screen. And I know you know where these files are. Let me see. If I do like this, paste. Ooh, monkey? Monkey? It's 8 minutes until your computer explodes. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. 8. Why does it say it can't find the images when the images are quite literally, not even figuratively, quite literally in the exact same folder? I'm not exactly sure what kind of file, like, what kind of like format that, maybe it does this. Maybe it does this. Nope, 8. There's a way to do it. Switch toolbox BRLLYT. I think that was what it is. No, not belt. Not belt. Yeah, BRLYT. There's some, let's see. Here we go. Okay, well, that's fine. There's some kind of like special like folder format that it wants. That way you can actually see the images. And I'm not exactly sure why it's saying null. But it's fine. I can still do the edits just fine. Is there, oh yeah, there is a VR game that makes you become a monkey. Please tell me you are making the pins card. No, we made the pins bowling balls, and we made the bowling ball a pin. And coin machine, hello. I'm going to put the button, what the frick? The button is like, it doesn't like move to the exact position. Interesting. Animation hierarchy parts. What the frick? It's all weird, but I like it. Open save a layout, save workspace, show properties, texture list, add texture. Okay. I know you know where these textures are. I love how it uses the source thing when it can't find the thing. Okay, so what we'll do is we will delete the button. Can I just delete it? Like, can I just, will that work? Will that just work? Can I just do that? Is that legal? Is that legal? Can I do that? I'll do it. Okay. I wonder if Brawl Crate is what corrupts these files. Because I wonder if it's like some different format that it's not liking.
Just make the bowling button just where the training icon is.
That's a good idea. That is a great idea. Let's just see what happens when I save. If it, no, it, yep, okay, yep, that's exactly. It throws in garbage and breaks the file whenever you save it. I made a backup, luckily. So it wasn't Carl Weezer's fault. Let it be known. It wasn't Carl Weezer's fault. Brawlbox has a glitch where it destroys any file of this type that you throw in it. Luckily, I had a backup, but jeez, that's a glitch. That's a bad glitch, I would say. Out of all the glitches, that's a pretty bad one. Where's the SZS thing that I had? Wexo, that's what I'm looking for. Wexo's toolbox.
How do I open folders as ISO in Dolphin?
You go into here, you go to properties, boop, and then you can extract entire disk there. Yo, 8-Bit Home, thank you for resubscribing for 15 months. Dude, thank you so freaking much. That's a lot of freaking months, dude. Thank you. That means a lot to me. I appreciate it a lot. What the frick is this song? What the frick is this? Replace. Screen. This. Okay. Then I save this as topspot.arc. I open then, or this song hurts. And this song makes me happy. Sports top, replace desktop with sports top. Save. Sure. Sure, I'll let you compress it. Why not? Now that should work. That scared me. I've never seen that screen before, so the fact that it was in red and looked like the scratchings of a crazy person, that scared me. Okay, it still crashed. The batteries are running low, folks. So as you said before, you know how you said, Andrew, it's probably not a good idea if you just delete the button? Yeah, you're probably right. That was probably the bad move to do. Of all the moves I could have done, just straight up deleting a button was probably one of the not right moves to do. Luckily, I have a backup. Save. And then I can close that. Put that. And then replace it. And save it. Save. Your batteries are running low, and so is my sanity. There we go. Okay, so it's because I deleted the button that it died. So let's not do that. Let's not delete the button and try something else. Where's screen? Where's the screen folder? There you are. Okay. Open, paste. Open. There we go. 8. I wish there was like a small. Oh, there is a help. There is a tutorial page. Oh, maybe I can fix it. Importing a cart. Don't care. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. What do you need? Tree hierarchy. I don't care. I just want you to understand where I put the files. Saving. Gosh dang it. I want you to tell me where to put the files. That's all I need to know. That's all I need to know is where I put the files. That is cool that this works with the Switch too. That's actually really cool. Wow. That's actually really cool. Just make the button super, super tiny. Yo, that's a great idea. I don't know why it's like, I can't tell if that's the way it's gonna look in the game or not. I can't tell. But let's just try it. Let's try just decreasing the size to like a just tiny box. And just see what happens. Save layout. Dude, this was such a nostalgic song for me. Oh man. Plot twist: the backup has training mode working. It doesn't. Don't worry. It doesn't. BLT. Replace. Screen. Let's see how much of an effect that has. Sports top, and then I replace you with the sports top on the desktop. Save. Yeah, I'll let you compress it. Okay. Let's see what we're making the button small does. Oh! I see. So, I see. Huh. This wasn't quite what I had in mind. This definitely was not what I had in mind. Leave it? You want me to leave it? All it says on the screen is Goff. All it says is Goff. How did that even happen? How did that even happen? I don't even know how that happened. Like, what freaking caused that? I'm gonna try something. Let's save it without compressing using Yazo. Just out of curiosity, what happens? Gonna guess it. Yeah, exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. Ooh, the good
The
song.
mind of somebody who hasn't had cheese nips in years. This is our future at this rate.
That's one way to ruin the song. Let's see if this fixes it, or if I screwed everything up again. Gosh, it's such a good song. I know I say that all the time, but it is. Hello, cheese. Hello. Nope, it just screws it up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
If you eat cheese nips, IT will fix itself.
So, I see. I might have to do this the old-fashioned way, because that freaking just broke the whole thing. Let's do this the old-fashioned way. You ready for this? Let me show you what the old-fashioned way is. It's a little bit more difficult, and it's a little bit more suck, but it works. First, I gotta make sure this works. Is there a way to change the initial boot screen? I don't know, actually. I don't know. P5 Delta, hello. I'm just gonna do this the old-fashioned way, fellas. I'm gonna open up this with Brawlbox. I'm going to, I'm going to export as an ARC file onto the desktop, okay? I'm gonna extract that as an ARC file. And then I'm going to go into my old folder. Where the frick is my old folder? Where the frick is my old folder? My good stuff, the good stuff. Where's the good stuff folder? Where's my good stuff folder? No, that's Reggie. Minecraft tree, fonts. Where the frick did my good stuff folder go? My classic good stuff folder. Where's my classic folder? I had a folder with like a bunch of freaking tools. Where the frick did I put that? Well, okay. Is it like, it's in my documents? Beta tools. Right? Yeah, okay, there's my classic file from 2012. This is 8 years ago I got this program. My classic file. That's some good stuff there. It didn't work. Okay. Beta like Beta64, that's me. Wow. It really does, for some reason, it does not like this file format. Unless freaking Brawlbox corrupted it. It's possible. Let me just go the old-fashioned way. The so old-fashioned way that there's literally no older fashion to fashion. My oldest fashion. I'm going to open this, extract it. Wow. 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 Could you texture the James and Counter-Strike source texture? I actually can. This was my classic folder and my programs fail me now? This is embarrassing. This is just embarrassing. Okay. Well, I know I've done this before because I replaced those other images. Local CArc. export U to the desktop as an ARC file. What kind of ARC file are we freaking dealing with here? Oh, it's a U8 file. Got it. That's okay. That explains everything. It's a U8 file. But everyone, don't worry. Don't worry. Everyone, remember, it's a U8 file. It's no need to panic. No need to panic. No need to panic, everyone. It's simply a U8 file. Where the frick did I store my? Hold up. I'm gonna go to this mode. Hold up. Let me find this. Files. Let me check my other user on this computer. Where's my freaking? Well, I gotta re-download it. It's a U8 file, U8 extractor. Where is it? Where's my classic tool? C2 pack, every file explorer. Is it every file explorer? I'm never gonna find these like same programs that I had when I was younger, because they're like not even available anymore because they're so freaking old. Oh, that's cute. Look at the icon. That's cute. Okay, sports top. An error occurred. Yes. 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 Where the frick is my favorite tool? I know exactly what it looks like. I know exactly what it looks like. It's the UX oh, there it is, U8 tool. There we are. Howard's U8 tool. Can we just say thank you to Howard real quick? Can we just say thank you to Howard? I want to see some Howard love in chat. If you don't have Office, you must click here. Oh, okay. What the frick is Comding? What the frick is Comdig? The frick is Wow, this thing is guys.
B64 Cheer 25 Howard Appreciation Bits.
Thank you. I want you to know how old this tool is.
B64 Cheer 25, this one's for Howard.
Thank you, Delta. Thank you, just to. It's so old. This tool is so old that this thing from 2010, this post from 2010 said, old tool. This tool was old in 2010. 2010! This was considered an old tool. Here, I'll download it from this website that's not in English. That's probably, I'm sure this is fine. What the frick is F20? Okay, I'm just gonna, here's what I'll do. I'll just put them both in together. Surely something will work. So how old now? Old enough for me to say, well, forget it. I don't know what. I must have just gotten unlucky. Surely there's, because surely all I have to do is go into here, and then I can replace the ARC tool with that, save, and it shouldn't crash, right? Bro, today is like, I don't know what the frick happened. It's working now. I think it's the oldest tool known to man. Howard, shout out to you for making a tool that literally can't even run on Windows. It can't even run on Windows 10 now. And I did the exact same thing I did before. And this time it worked.
While it doesn't cooperate, I hate my brain cake. Not only do I have Blaster64 on the brain, I have 2 other Beta64 fan games in my head now. We got a strategy game that plays like StarCraft, and another RPG for the group, but it plays like Kingdom Hearts.
Sometimes it's hard, dude. It's hard to you know, what am I trying to say? It's hard to have game ideas because you keep wanting to come up with more game ideas. Like I know that feeling very well. I know that feeling very, very well. That's a classic. Final Fantasy VII is out for free on PlayStation Plus. Dang. Okay, it works now. I've been doing things and it works now. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why. Don't friggin' don't ask. It works now. It works now. Just don't ask. I don't know either, man. At this point, I don't know either, man. Ah, freaking. What did that say? What did that error say? That this file was over 2 gigs? Is that what that error said? To this file that is 10 kilobytes? Okay. Okay. How up to date is oh no. The only thing that was replaced was the title screen layout. Is what I lost from before.
It and stuff.
It's not a big deal.
Get those ideas organized. Okay. The reason the strategy game came up is because I was listening to the MX soundtrack.
Oh, James, thank you for the raid. Thank you so much. James, welcome raid. Thank you. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open here, make 0 changes, save layout. Then I'm going to go into here. I'm going to, well, okay, I closed every single program. That's nice. I'm gonna go into here, replace this with this. I'm using 3 separate tools, but this time it's working. I save there, and then I go to here, and I replace this with that one. And then I save there, and then I click OK, and then I save, and then I boot, and it's not gonna look weird.
The KH like RPG 1 came up because while I was looking for KH2 mods I came across somebody reworking the KH2 engine so modding it can be easier.
That was the greatest, thank you, Gigabytes. Thank you for the 23, thank you. And Delta, thank you for the diamond. That was the greatest music transition in the history of ever. Someone, I hope someone clipped that. Because the moment I said, don't let anything go wrong, it just freaking goes, oh gosh, please put it in the Discord server. Oh my gosh. So I figured out what breaks it. This tool is broken now, and I don't know why it's broken now, but it is broken now. Let it be known. So I have to use a different tool. I don't know why. Because if I save this, and I go to here, and I replace this with that, and I save this, it'll be back to normal and won't look weird. Yep. It's because, I don't know why, the tool updated and broke. Thank you, Anonymous Cheer. Thank you. And Nintendo Nerd, thank you for the host. I'll have to use a different program then. The question is, Moana, hello. I love your emotes. I love it. Just give up on everything and start ASMR. That's a great idea. That's actually, maybe I should. Maybe I should. Browser-based. Yo, it's a browser-based one. Okay, let's see. This is the wrong file format. This is the wrong file. BLYT. After getting the bowling to work, the game has decided to work against me.
it said to me, Andrew, you don't need to be good. You don't need to do this. Just stop. Just stop, Andrew. But I didn't want to stop. I understand. But I can't stop now. I can't stop now. I must continue on. I understand what it means to be in pain. But it's time to continue. I figured out Chrome! It's not a virus! Chrome, I swear to you, it's not a virus. I have the source code right there. Don't freaking block my... You blocked it! Why are you blocking it? Stop! Stop blocking my freaking virus! Let me download my virus! Block! How do I unblock something? Please! I don't care! No protection! I don't want any protection! I want to download the file! Gosh, I don't care! It says virus detected! There's no virus! There's no virus!
Send me the link and I'll download and send it to you. It's why? Turn off Chrome virus scan.
You are slowly losing your mind, aren't you?
Just a little bit. This song is my mind right now. This song is my mind. Oh, you have to restart Chrome to do it. I use this for those of you who are scared, it's like, Andrew's actually downloading a virus. He's gone crazy. Don't worry. I did not I'm not downloading a virus. I use this in my video. So it's not a virus, I swear. This, I don't know what that is. Thank you. What browser do I have that can just download virus? It is not a virus. Here, Firefox. Let's see which program will allow me to download a virus. Please. Yes. Yes. It doesn't contain... Why does everyone think they contain... Oh, Internet Explorer. Yeah. This is it. Come on, Internet Explorer. I haven't opened you since like 2002. Do not use recommended settings. Come on. Come on, give this to me. Come on. Yes, open. I don't care. It's not a virus. No, off. Turn off. Turn off Defender Smart Screen. Yes. It's not a virus. I know it's not a virus. Open. Not Internet Explorer 2. Not Internet Explorer. It hasn't even gotten to the I have app and browser control. It doesn't even say, it didn't even get that far. Where's Netscape? I can't believe it thinks it's a freaking virus. Here. It's not. I can promise you with 100% certainty, this is not a switch to Windows XP. That's a good idea. That's a great idea, actually. Why does every single web browser have a problem with this? Here we go, a random Mediafire link. Yes, that worked. Yes, I downloaded it from a sketchy website instead of from the place that it actually belongs, because that's what Chrome wants me to do. But I got it.
This stream better not turn into a Windows destruction stream. This ain't a Joel stream keck.
That would be funny. Why is there something called song not working .wave? Okay. Terminal. What's this called again? Benzin. There we go. Figured it out. So, here's what you need to do. Out of all of that that we had to deal with, this is all it does. This is all this program does. I'll show you. Let's see. R, I guess is, I don't know what the difference between R and M is, but I guess that's fine. Space, this one, which is XMLYT. Yes, yes, it converted it to an XML file. That's all it did. That's all it did. Now I can edit in Notepad++. There we go. This is the screen layout file now. That was all the work I had to do. My computer died. I can't move the mouse. Oh, Chrissy, I can't move. The mouse is moving on its own. Oh no.
I entered 10 puns in a pun contest, hoping one would win, but no pun intended.
Chrissy, that hurts. What's it doing? No, it can't be. No, the virus is opening Rick Roll, which will get my stream claimed, and I'll get banned on Twitch and go to jail. No, it can't be. No! Oh, thank goodness I regained control. Oh, thank goodness. Anyway. Wow, okay, that's cool. Anyway. So this is where it sets the textures. And these are each of the buttons. So I just need to find out what this button is called. Training icon, texture clamp, entries P icon. Okay. Man, it's been a hot minute. It has been a hot minute. B button, T button, T button, B. Physical, wait. P image, physical background, physical T title, training. No, yeah, training menu background, training menu, W text, oh boy. Actually, yeah, we have heard the song. We already played the song. We gotta hear, oh, there we go. So to make this thing invisible, this button invisible, we're actually, I want to change the coordinates. Training background, visible. I'll just set it visibility to 0. There we go. And let's just freaking hope that worked. Let's just see what happens. Benzin. Put this there. And then it's M space this, then space this, but it's B R L Y T. Yes. Then we replace that. We're doing it, guys. Benzin. With that, then save, then go into here, replace with this, save, compress, and we boot it up. I did it. It worked. Technically, what I did was I changed this to be invisible. It did work though. It did work. So yay, it did work. So now that we know that, we can actually edit things, but it didn't corrupt, and I think that's the important thing. Texture icon. So I guess this is the button. Rotate scale. How can I mess with this? I'm just trying to figure out the best way to mess with this. I think the buttons might be called something. P button 4. Do you think, can we give Beta big DK Pog? That'd be nice. Ist, what's the difference between a P button, an ist button, and an N button? P button 0, P button 0, P button, B button. What's the P button versus the B button? I don't know what the difference between the P button and the B button is. Entries. Let me see if I can find the info. Training, because it's got to be linked to it in some way. This is the icon, which is P icon 0. So it's got to be P0 button, right? Theoretically. Press all the buttons. That's what I do. That might work. I think it might be the P button. Physical icon is P button. I think it might be P button 0. P button. P button. P button 4. P button 0. Let's make that invisible. There we go. Now that that's invisible, we can go to here. Go to here. Export it out. Then, well, actually, let me delete this file first, and then we'll export it out. And then we'll go to here. Replace. Save. That's good music. Replace. Save. Ain't Crazy Gamer. We've replaced the bowling balls with a bowling pin and replaced the bowling pins with the bowling balls. Okay, P button is the first sports. That's the first sport button. I just removed a sports button. And this is the this, but it couldn't find the coordinates. I don't think the music player already played this because I think there's just a lot of songs in Breath of the Wild that sound similar. So that's actually that's P button. So that's not the button we're looking for. Button 2, button 3. I should have known just from like P button S. Maybe it's P button S. It's probably P button S. P button 0. P button S. No. N button? Maybe it's N button. Let's make N button invisible. Maybe it's N button. For not button. Yeah, that sounds about right. What do you think, chat? What do you think, guys? You think that works? Think that's good? I think it's good. You might be asking, Andrew, you were tired when you woke up today, and you worked very hard today. Why did you pick the most mentally straining thing to do? It's because I wanted to. You think it works? Cheese thinks it's gonna work. I just deleted every single button. Every single button is now gone. Every single button is now gone. Every single button is now gone. You like this? I like it. What was that, N button? I got an idea. I got a fun idea. I got a fun idea. I've got a real good idea. You ready for this? Beta, stop breaking stuff. Hexit, if they get to the point where I mean, actually, yeah, 2-hour mark is probably good. I mostly just didn't want people to submit for stream the moment that I started submit for stream. But yeah, no, at the 2-hour mark is pretty good, actually. Okay, this is my last thing for now, for tonight. This is where I think this is gonna be funny. I think this is gonna be funny. You ready for this? I think this is gonna be haha funny. Please be haha funny. Here we go. There it is. Haha funny. The buttons are tiny. It's perfect. And I'm gonna move, I'll take it and I'll, let's see, X, Y position. Let's move it up by like, let's see, X is this way. Y is that way. So let's move it up by, 100. I want to put the buttons on top of the thing. Yeah. I'm gonna try to move them up. I'm glad we got this working though. That's kind of nice. This is actually much easier to do, surprisingly, compared to the freaking tool that auto corrupts it. Now, yeah, I know, we can see more of the background. You've got a very good workflow going. Thank you, I'm glad you noticed. Okay, that might be a little tall. We'll do 80. Save. Cool. And replace. Save. I'm liking this workflow, to be honest. I can do it super quickly. Perfect. There it is. Welcome to Wii Sports. Actually, one last thing before we finish for the evening. One last thing. Delete. Open. Then go to here. And replace. Save. Gosh, I love this. CG, thank you for gifting a sub to the real Wii Sports. The real one. Zucky, you get to enjoy this. You can enjoy this right now. You ready for this? Oh, that might have been a little too much. I probably shouldn't have done that. That might be a little too much. What do you think? Should I make it a little bit smaller, or what do you think? Wider? Then you wouldn't be able to see. I could do. I like how many freaking decimal points this thing's got. There we go. It's beautiful. It's perfection. This is what we wanted, folks. And Zucky, let me show you. And there's still nothing here, which is great. It's the button. It's the one that lets you see what's going on back there. You get to see the lovely face back there. Let me show you what we got with bowling. Oh, we didn't put Pixarino's voice in. That's fine. We can get that next time. Look, there it is. Oh, I didn't even notice. You can see all the freaking bowling pins. And he grabs one. That is the good stuff. That is the good stuff. We've done something special today, folks. Oh, I didn't get this. Oh. Well, let me ask you something, guys. Shall we end? Let's look at the submit for stream. I'm ready to take a night. I'm ready to lay on the freaking couch and enjoy the progress that we made today. We made both a lot of progress and no progress at the same time. We made a lot of freaking progress in the fact that we got a good system going for changing the title screen. We also got the bowling pins replaced with stuff. We did do well. It's a great lesson in reverse engineering. Careers are being, that's right, Moana. Careers are being founded right here on the Beta64 cursed Carl Weezer streams. Whoever had the idea that the things needed to be decimated to work, thank you. That I don't know how long it would have taken me before I would have noticed that. Yeah, we didn't get to Lightning McQueen. We didn't get to Pixelrino's like voice over. But there will be more Wii Sports hacking streams, of course. It's not over. It's never over. Okay, we got some interesting stuff for submit for stream. First off, we might as well start with panel number 7 in our cheese nip adventure with Donkey Kong and Carl Weezer. Yeah, it's only over when I die. When I die, that's when Wii Sports hacking ends. This was of course sent in by Delta Berry. This is a continuation of last week. Yeah, last week. Yeah, first it started IKEA, then Walmart, and now we're at Target. Yeah, last time I checked, there were a lot of cheese nips. I wonder where they went. Ook. What will happen next? I know it's riveting, but you're just gonna have to wait till tomorrow. You're just gonna have to wait. I'm excited to see Wii Sports hacking where it takes us next too. It's only getting better. It's only getting better. Thank you, Delta Berry, for sending that in. Of course. We have. What the frick is this? Okay. This was sent in by Goose, and it's just called Andrew Echo. .mp4. I completely missed the whole mod. Well, Mystic, type in !archive. It will be up tomorrow. You can watch it. You can watch it tomorrow. Goose, Pally, please welcome. The stream, we're just now finishing up, but watch it. Subscribe to the archive channel. There you go, Beta64 Live, and you can get the 1080 60 frames per second version of the stream. You can get that tomorrow. Goose, what the frick is this?
Myself and countless others have had many sleepless nights where the only thing we could hear echoed in the darkness. Myself and countless others have had this.
That's me. What you all don't know is even though the Wii Sports or the Sonic 2 stream was so long ago, you can still hear the screams that I felt that night. This is sent in by Luma Lee and said it might not be good. And I'm like, it's like, okay, let's give it a shot. Let's see what Luma Lee's got. Can I tell you a little secret, guys? I never beat Ocarina of Time. Chaos! Chaos understands me! Marito! I'm understood! Thank you, Lily. That was actually great. I'm sorry, Cheese. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I haven't beat Ocarina of Time. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. And even the people who understood me still think it's bad. Okay. Zucky sent this in at the last second, but it can't, it has to be shown. It's just that good. Hold up.
Me when your pizza rolls are done. Pizza.
Thank you, Zucky. Thank you, Zucky. Hexen sent me, here, let me just read this file name real quick. 1615344486441.mp4. Thank you, Zucky. She said, I told you you would regret this. Oh no! Oh no! This is the final submit for stream tonight. Oh no.
We got a #1 victory royale. Yeah, Fortnite, we bout to get down. 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. My friend just gone down. I revived him, now we're heading southbound. Now we're in the Pleasant Park streets. Look at the map, go to the marked sheet.
It's... Now do it for real? I can try.
We got a #1 victory royale. Yeah, Fortnite, we bout to get down. 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. My friend just gone down. I revived him, now we're heading southbound. Now we're in the Pleasant Park streets. Look at the map, go to the marked sheet.
What do you think? Was that cursed enough for you? Was that cursed enough for you? Was that good? Which one's AI? You're never gonna know. You're never gonna know. You're going to regret that? Oh no. I am feeling physical pain. Don't worry, we're ending the stream and rating someone. Thank you, Hexen, for that terrifying horror that you gave us all. Thank you. None of them are AI. That's the secret. That's the freaking secret. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, we're going to be rating now. And I'm pretty sure we've... You know what? Let's rate Music by Sticks. And ask him to drum to #1 Victory Royale. Except he won't be able to. He won't be able to because I don't know if that's on Spotify. I want him to play drum set though, so I'm gonna just ask. I'm gonna ask. This guy is an amazing drummer and he's playing drums tonight. 2 people's song requests, and that is who we're gonna rate. Family friendly live, beautiful person. When you get there, freaking follow the guy. You know, unless, I mean, if you want to, but why wouldn't you want to? Why wouldn't you want to? Yes, copy the raid message. The stream will be on the archive channel, !archive. We have every single part of the Wii Sports Hacking series up there. So, that is basically all I have to say. I think, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for, I think I'm gonna do viewer requested games tomorrow. So if you requested a game in the past, that will be tomorrow. We got Loco Roco, we got Taiko no Tatsujin, we got freaking, I think a Super Mario hack 2, something like that. There's a bunch of things. And Cheese Nip Cooking is on Thursday. Tell your friends. Tell the Discord server. Tell the Twitterverse. Tell the YouTube comment section. I don't freaking know. Whatever you want. Just let the world know that this is what's happening tomorrow and on Thursday, the cooking stream. Tell your mom. Freaking tell your mom. Let her know. So, have a great rest of your night. Stick around for the raid if you want to. If you do, you get 250 free Cheese Nip points. Or you just freaking just do whatever you want. Rest up, rest easy. It's been a long day, but you did a great job today. Proud of you. Good night. It's shoot.